Hello again friends and welcome back to Hyperion. In today's video we are going to learn how to finally get rid of your PC by suspending it below your desk. This means more space for you, better cooling for him. And hey, you know what? You can achieve this for less than $5 using only straps, bracket and screw. And that's all you need because I designed this system to be affordable and reliable. So we all started by proudly putting our big computer on our desk. But as we spend most of our time watching our screen instead, having it on top might not be the best option for it. When we think about it, a PC case on a desk is maybe just useless. So firstly, if your case is oversized, you might want to check the wonderful world of small form factor PC. Definitely a place for enthusiasts. We just love to build small yet amazing projects, and I really encourage you to check them out. So the next level is about reaching the ultimate footprint of 0 thanks to an UnderDesk setup. And finally, there's a secret prototype I'm planning to make, but that's for another video. When you start with a problem about, well, anything, you should always start by checking for already existing solution, because this is how you will get inspired. I did that and found out plenty of projects for this. Some of them have a metallic structure that goes below or wrap the case, which I think is maybe too much to build. We also have very long bracket that you screw under your desk and strap to it your case. This is by far the best method, and going from here I came up with a perfect solution. So we will reuse this method to attach our case horizontally inside a trapezoid shape. Why? Because first it will allow the case to breathe on top, and also because with the trapezoid shape and thanks to gravity, the more our case is heavy, the more our strap will tighten around it. So this is the plan. Did you get it? Nice. For the material, I came up with these. For straps, I will be using these which have a metal locking system. They are 2.5 meter long and can hold up to 65 kg, which is more than enough. For screws, I had some laying around. Just make sure that they are long enough, many type will do the trick. And for the mounting system, I purchased this flat metal bracket or mending plate, whatever you call it. I've also designed some 3D model you can print. Be sure to print them in this direction and to use them with flat-headed screws or washers. I won't put links down below as I want you to go instead to your local shop and promote the economy of your own city. You'll get them faster, cheaper, and even have a more tangible choice than online. Before that, I will start by removing my previous system. Back then, I quickly made something using 3D printed parts, as I knew that I will be doing this all over again for your sake once I get my camera. So yeah, it did the job correctly. Firstly, take your case and put it on your desk. It might as well be time to clean it up a little bit. Then wrap it with a strap in a trapezoid shape with a small distance above for breathing. Once you know where to cut, take another margin of error by cutting more than what you need. It's okay if it's too long because we can trim it after. You can then use a lighter to burn the end of the strap so that it doesn't tear up. Now repeat the same process with the other strap and we are done with them. The next step is to place this bracket, mark their location and drill some holes for the upcoming screws. I'm sure that you are smart enough to figure out the distance between them. Just make sure to space them in between the legs of your case, as this is what will prevent it from sliding out. With the bracket loose past the strap inside, be sure to point the locking system downward as we absolutely don't want it to be triggered from above. In order to simplify things, I suggest you start by locking one end of the strap by tightening the bracket from one side. Doing this will make things much easier as we will only be dealing with the other side for the last step, leveling. Indeed, we will then use a straight object with a bevel level above it to level both straps. We need to do this in order to not have our case leaning forward or backward. Once it's correctly done, you can tighten the remaining bracket. Okay, some of you will wonder if this DIY solution is secure enough for their expensive build. Of course, nobody wants to see his case falling, because if it does, So how to be sure that this will not fail us? Well, I have a scientifically proven method. And now it's time to confidently insert our case, then plug everything for the big show.
I was waiting for this moment all my life. What is going to happen now? We are going to discover it. Oh, that's amazing! How is that even possible? I can't believe what I'm looking at. This is nonsense. Did we do that for only $5? Really? Oh, we are the best. We are the best in the world. I can't believe that. Look at this. This is amazing. Only $5. This is the best showcase ever. Oh my god. Unbelievable. Incredible. Look at this. $5. $5. Is that for real? Because I can't believe that. No, there's no way. I'm sure it's a fake. It's not real, it's a fake. Not only for $5. It's all fake. This isn't real. What are you doing?